Hi guys, I'm doing a review on the Swampfire toy. I know I've done other reviews, but this one I just got today. So as you can see the back of the box, there's Echo, Jetray, and Swampfire, Chromastone, Humungosaur, and Ben. So there he is, right there, Swampfire. So now I'm gonna open the toy, and it's time for no sound mode. So I'm gonna switch to no sound mode. Ready? Okay, so guys, we're back. I just got the back off, so now that's just a plain cardboard piece. So now I'm gonna take my pencil here, and I'm just gonna poke. And that didn't do it, so I'm gonna have to do it again. That didn't do it, so I'm gonna have to poke a little bit hard. Okay, that did it. Now, I just rip and as included with all figures, we have the what do you call it? The card. We have the Swampfire card. It reads, Swampfire's body produces large amounts of highly flammable methane gas. He has the ability to shoot fire from his hands and is nearby impervious to physical harm. Projectiles pass harmlessly through him, and severed lands can be reattached. Swampfire also controls the growth of nearby plant life and can regrow his entirely body when needed. So that's a little card. I don't think I'm gonna open this because I don't want any wear to go on the card. So now it's time for the real fun business. So let's just take the rest of this cardboard stuff off. Okay, so now we're left with the back of the box. So let's pull on this, and now we have the toy, guys. I don't know if you can see that. And oops, hope you can still hear me. So let's pop this bad boy out, and now we have the Swampfire toy. And he has bending legs, bending arms, and turning head. Unlike most things. So I'm gonna go put this on my collection right now. And goodbye.